Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can generate photos using the CapCut AI photo effect. And here, I've already imported a photo to CapCut. And after that, what you need to do is click on effect at the bottom and use the AI effects. So here you can just select the AI effect that you want, or you can also enter prompt manually. So for example, I'm going to use this comics AI effect. Just click on the effect and click on generate at the bottom and wait until the result come out. Okay, after you click on the effect that you choose, there will be a preview like this. And if you like with the result, just click on done. And just like that, your photos will be added with the effect that you chose. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.